whole point of today's video is just to show the difference a choice can make. 100% of today's feeding, and this old feeding that you see here, all of it was headed out to the dumpster and eventually headed for the landfill. I'm not sure how far I'll make it with this. I get bored with this very quickly. Microbes love coffee. Leaves might be nature's most generous gift. The gift that keeps giving year after year. If we could just change what we value, take a different look at what we throw away. Leaves are raked up, shoved into bags, and sent off with the garbage truck. They're set on fire. It only takes one season, one, to find a forgotten corner of the yard, put the leaves in a pile, let them get rained on, and wait. I can only speak for myself, and once I started using them and realized their value, I've never looked at leaves the same way again. When the big fleece is taken, this is left over. It's called waste wool. A lot of times it ends up in a ditch or in the garbage. I love it, both in the worm box and in the garden. Bought a light. These are all conscientious folks. They probably compost at home already, but there's only one receptacle available. So I'm taking it upon myself to provide receptacles. I'm taking a bucket. Can you see? Let me get the light down here. Look at there. Worms of several different sizes. All earthworms, you guys. I probably won't feed again for a good solid week at least. I'll work these filters in slowly. These are my eggshells. Not only was 100% of what you see here considered trash, almost everything in this box is considered trash. They're really starting to work the material now. When I put this box in, the top layer was leaves. That guy, I want to get that guy out. I can't catch him. Did I get him? Those guys that eat worms. I don't know if they bite. I'm afraid to touch it. Anyway, so the top is now getting covered in casting when it was covered in leaves before. I want to keep an organic layer between the soil and the wool. I'm going to take it on myself at work to separate the food, the recycle, and the regular trash. Because there's only one receptacle, everything's going into it. So the only thing that's really missing at work is the choice. And I can fix that. Turns out it was never about the worms. It was about a choice. Almost everything here, including the box itself, was trash. I repurposed this wood. We have a local architect who throws away their scraps. I use those scraps to make this box. The worms don't know the difference. To them, it's food. Thanks for watching. See ya.